Grade 5 baldness had started affecting both the front and crown areas, with noticeable thinning and a receding hairline impacting overall confidence. At New Roots Hyderabad clinic, we performed a 5,000 grafts hair transplant, carefully planned with a focus on natural hairline design and optimal density. After 1.5 years, the transformation speaks for itself. A restored hairline, fuller coverage, and a completely natural appearance. Every graft was placed with precision, ensuring seamless and natural-looking results. Looking for a similar transformation? Visit New Roots Hair Transplant Clinic, Hyderabad today.